Hello everyone, welcome once again, and today we'll discuss about a new topic, that is the principle of landscaping. So before we move to the principle of landscaping, में जाने से पहले हम थोड़ा बहुत रिवीजन करेंगे, ओके, जो मेन है जो हम लोगों ने पिछले क्लास में सीखा था. So what we were learning, हम लोग क्या सीख रहे थे? We were learning about the importance and scope of landscaping. Okay, we were learning about the importance and scope of landscaping. So what is the importance and scope? In this, what we were saying that in this generation, अभी के generation में landscaping, it is really in high demand. Okay, it is really in high demand, and then मतलब in so many areas, बहुत सारे areas में. Okay, and then after that, then we were learning about the aesthetic value. Okay, aesthetic value क्या है? Like the beautification and all of that area. ना कैसे आप एक जगह को beautify कर सकते हो? Okay, how you can make that land, a particular land beautiful. या फिर जो आपका घर है, जो आपका area है. Now, how you make that veranda? Okay, how you can make that veranda beautiful? How you can make it more pleasing to the eyes? We were learning that, and then we were even learning about the economic value. Economic value में क्या आता है? Like how you get different type of product. कैसे अलग-अलग products मिलते हैं फूलों से. Okay, like you get like this one gulgand, and then you can make gulgand out of rose. And then you can make gajras and all, and then not only that, you can even make a perfume out of jasmine, out of rose, and then उसके अलावा आप soap भी बना सकते हो, right? From the essential oil of rose, you can make soap out of it, right? And even in medicine also, medicine में भी बहुत काम आता है, like hibiscus, जो hibiscus होता है, in this one in allopathy, it really helps. Okay, in allopathy area में जो medical है, so it really helps in that. And even it have vitamins also, which you can consume. There are some flowers which is edible, जो edible होता है, जो आप खा सकते हो, जैसे marigold, rose, and then even in restaurant also वो लोग garnishing के लिए use करते हैं. So these are just some of the example that I just want to repeat. बाकी की चीजें आपको notes में मिल जाएंगी, so you can learn from there. And then today we will discuss about the principle. Okay, and yeah, even in landscape एक चीज नहीं involve होती है. It doesn't involve only one, लेकिन it involve बाकी चीजें जो environment से मिलता है या फिर जो nature से ही मिलता है. Okay, that involves the involvement is called landscaping. जो involvement है, जैसे कि not only plants or not only flowers, but even water and even the house, everything is included in that landscaping. Okay, so today now we will discuss about the principles of landscaping. So principle of landscaping में क्या क्या आता है? And then see what, not only this, but even in this the scope, जो scope होता है, okay, the scope जो scope होता है landscaping में, उसमें ये भी है, like it increasing demand. Like आप आजकल if you hear about this export import, obviously you all know about export import companies and all. Flowers एक ऐसा business है, या landscaping एक ऐसा business है, okay, especially when it comes to the flowers. So India play a very good role in this, in import export, especially जो European countries है, क्योंकि जहाँ पर इंडिया है, okay, so it is more nearer than the other country, like in Asian country, okay, and then it is more closer to Europe. Okay, ये ज़्यादा close है Europe से, so they produce and they do the export-import business very nicely with the European country के साथ बहुत अच्छा import-export business है India का. And then why, one more reason क्यों India import-export में बहुत famous है comparing to the European country. क्यों? क्योंकि फर्स्ट थिंग इज इट्स क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, जो इसका सॉइल और क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन है कि लाइक दे डोंट नीड आर्टिफिशियल, जो आर्टिफिशियल हीट है उनको आर्टिफिशियल हीट की जरूरत नहीं है. लाइक इफ इन यूरोपियन कंट्री अगर इफ इट्स विंटर सीजन तो टोटली विंटर होगा एंड देन देयर विल बी नो प्लांट दैट कैन सर्वाइव नाइसली देयर. ओके, कुछ प्लांट्स सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाते हैं इफ दे वांट दैट टाइप ऑफ प्लांट इन दैट सीजन, अगर उनको वो ही फ्लावर चाहिए उस सीजन में, सो दे कांट गेट. ओके, बट इन इंडिया एक ऐसा जगह है जहां पर आप लाइक यू कैन एंजॉय डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट. Okay, like if you go to this one to the northern side, North India side, you will get another type of climate, different type of climate, right? If you go to northeast area, अलग type of climate है वहाँ पर, right? So in अलग area में there are different type of flowers जो grow करते हैं. एक I know one example. There is one student. Okay, there is one student who passed out from one good college, from one good university. तो she was from horticulture background, वो horticulture background से ही है. So what she did after completing her study complete करने के बाद वो जब वापस आई तो उन्होंने क्या किया, she just start her own business, वो अपना own business शुरू की. कौन से फ्लावर से? एंथुरियम एक फ्लावर है. एंड देन व्हाट शी डिड, वो मतलब उनका एक लैंड है, उनमें पूरा मतलब बिकॉज नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आई गेस इज इन नागालैंड में है ये मतलब ये सिस्टर है, दिस स्टूडेंट इज देयर. तो शी स्टार्ट दिस बिजनेस, वो ये बिजनेस शुरू की. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ, बाकी कुछ जो रिसर्चर्स है ना दूसरे स्टेट से जो इंडिया में है, एंड सम ऑफ देम वर फ्रॉम दिल्ली, क्या किए वो लोग आए when they saw that she is growing, मतलब वो बहुत अच्छा एंथुरियम ग्रो कर रही है, क्योंकि वो बहुत अच्छा like it was very good, it could really survive nicely और बहुत अच्छा ब्लूम कर रहा था उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में. okay, because there are some flowers के इंडिया में ही मतलब इस एरिया में बहुत जो उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में ही ग्रो करता है. like in different area also they have different like climatic condition. okay, different अलग प्रकार का climatic condition होता है अलग जगह में इंडिया में ही. so we can enjoy different type, we can see different types of flowers in different states of India itself. ठीक है, so ये है. और मतलब कुछ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट स्कोप है लैंडस्केपिंग में. okay, so now we'll come to the principle of landscaping. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या सीखेंगे इसके अंदर, इसके 6 पॉइंट्स हैं. ओके, देयर आर 6 पॉइंट्स एंड सबसे पहले जो हम लोग आज डिस्कस करेंगे वो है सिंप्लिसिटी. फर्स्ट थिंग इज simplicity. okay, simplicity. so from the word only, इसके wording से ही आप समझ सकते हो कि what type of principle is this. it is a simple type. okay, simple type. what when you do something, जब आप कुछ कोई प्लान को like when you take one area and then you do plantation, ठीक है, तो आप एक ही प्रकार का कलर, like suppose if it's green color, okay, if it's green color like greenery, okay, and then like ornamentals, flower, एक पर्टिकुलर जगह में आप ग्रो करते हो तो हर साल वही कलर होना चाहिए उस एरिया में. या फिर अगर आप मिक्स भी करते हो, okay, suppose in one area it's green color, in one area it's yellow, in one area it's red, okay, like it's like that, but nearby only ना, पास में ही, तो it's fine. लेकिन कभी भी don't mix it. okay, that is one principle of landscaping. because जब आप बहुत सारे कलर को, या फिर जब आप suppose example फूल, okay, like a rose, like in one I'll just draw, like in one area this one you will grow red color, okay, red, उसके बाद यहाँ पर then you do blue color. Okay, after that here yellow. Okay, yellow. So like ठीक है, it's fine like this, it will be beautiful. But if you mix everything, यहाँ पर yellow, red, blue, everything in one area only, it will look untidy. वो थोड़ा untidy दिखेगा. तो to make it simple and more delightful, मतलब आपके like you will feel more relaxed when you see. Okay, it will be more good when you follow this. तो ये important principle है landscaping का. That's why it's that's why it comes in the first place, simplicity. Okay, in a simple way, in a simple way. And then this is the first thing. And जो दूसरा चीज है वो है this one. And then yeah, you can do repetition also, like repetition. जैसे मैंने अभी बोला कि next year, अगले साल भी आप ऐसे ही कर सकते हो, like red and here yellow and then here blue, like that you can plant in one area. Okay, but I will give you some photos also. आपको कुछ photos भी भेजूंगी. So from there you will understand more. कि कैसे हो, like how what is the example, how it is, you can understand more कि simplicity क्या है, like principle of landscaping कैसा है, simplicity कैसे करते हैं. और फिर repetition कर सकते हो हर साल, ठीक है, same color को. Now we come to the second. This is especially done in the outdoor. Okay, indoor में ज़्यादा नहीं करते हैं. Like indoor में you can do like different type of colors, but if you do in the outdoor या फिर veranda में, it will look more beautiful if you do the same color. Green, that means totally green. Red, that means totally red. Okay, so this is one example of simplicity. So second is unity. Unity. I hope you have heard this word, unity. Okay, unity means like same, equally. Okay, barabar. You can take like that. Why? Because in this also come in the principle. ये भी principle of landscaping में आता है. क्यों? क्योंकि overall effect, मतलब जो design होगा आपका landscape का, मतलब सारा चीज it should be like in unity. Okay, it should be in unity, it should be aligned in unity. और फिर जब repetition भी होता है, then everything, मतलब उसमें कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, when you do the plantation, कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं होना चाहिए. And then even if like जब plant grow करता है, ठीक है, when it grows, obviously you do the training, the pruning. आप pruning करते हो, so you level it, you cut it, and then it becomes like equal, right? And then it look more clean, more nice, ना देखने में और अच्छा लगता है. So that is one example. Third one is balance. Balance. इसे भी इसकी वर्डिंग से ही समझ में आ रहा है कि you have to like when you plan anything, you have to do the balance, like visual balance. जब आप देखते हो तो सब चीजें मतलब बैलेंस होना चाहिए. जैसे मैंने पहले वाला बोला, like the first thing कैसे, like how you have to make everything simple. And then जो अगर आप इस साल में अगर red plantation करते हो तो yes, you can do the same in the next year also. अगर आप कलर चेंज करना चाहते हो कोई बात नहीं, you can change the color, but it should be of same species. एक ही species होना चाहिए, okay, of that plant. Okay, and then even the unity also. तो same चीज even in the balance also. जो balance है, जो shape है, color है, everything should be balanced. Okay, like of the flowers and all. Like even if it comes extra also, अगर extra branches भी निकले तो आप ये एक चीज कर सकते हो. You can do the training and pruning. आप prune कर सकते हो, आप उसको मतलब like you can cut it from like you can trim it. Okay, that plant. So ऐसे में it will be balanced. The color also will be balanced. The height also will be balanced. Everything will be balanced. Okay, so that is a simple explanation. Okay, so and then the fourth. We come to the fourth. The fourth is what? Proportion. Okay, तो जब आप ये principle of landscaping, जब आप landscape को perform करोगे, especially अगर आप like if you want to be a landscape designer. ओके, लैंडस्केप डिजाइनर जो एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस को चूज करेगा और आप वहाँ का जो एरिया है आप डिजाइन करोगे. यू थिंक अबाउट लाइक सो मेनी थिंग के यहाँ पर ऐसे इसको उगाना है, यहाँ पर फिर ट्रीज को उगाना है एंड ऑल, राइट? सो यू हैव टू think about the proportion. And yeah, one more thing in the balance. Okay, balance में एक और example है. अगर एक और example है जो मैं like I skip one example, that is if you do like this is one example when you plan tree. Okay, tree. एक पेड़ दूसरे पेड़ से अगर like if it's like a bit far, okay, और बीच में there is no plantation, बीच में कुछ भी plantation नहीं है, it's like totally nil, कुछ भी नहीं है, खाली है. तो only the tree, there is like one side here tree, another side there is one tree. Okay, and this is totally empty, कुछ भी नहीं है. So how you gonna balance this so that it will be good to the eyes when you go through this pathway? ना कैसे वो pleasing दिखेगा कैसे? You can plant shrubs. आप shrubs plant कर सकते हो यहाँ. Okay, you can do the plantation of shrubs. Then it will look more pleasing. For like it will be more attractive, like और attractive दिखेगा. और इसके बाद जो मैंने proportion बोला है, अगर आप लैंडस्केप डिजाइनर बनना चाहते हो या फिर अगर लाइक इफ एनी लैंडस्केप डिजाइनर दे विल थिंक ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो, इसको माइंड में रखेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि जो भी मतलब प्लांट्स हुआ, ट्रीज हुआ, एवरीथिंग शुड बी इन प्रोपोर्शन, मतलब परसेंटेज में देखना है एंड उसको प्लान करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक जो लॉन है, जो लॉन है आपका लॉन होना चाहिए 25 to 30%. This I won't write, but I will just give you the notes. Lawn should be what 25 to 30%. उसके बाद this one herbaceous plant जो है वो मतलब 15 से 20% होना चाहिए जो herbaceous plant है. और उसके बाद even the trees also it should be like 15%, 15% होना चाहिए. और वहाँ पर जो building है उस lawn में अगर like if there will be building, it should be like 35 to 40%. Okay, it shouldn't be like more than that. तो that proportion you have to keep in mind अगर आप एक particular area को लेते हो और आप अगर वहाँ पर कुछ like landscape इसको follow करना चाहते हो, principle of landscaping को, ठीक है. So after the proportion we come to the second last, that is accent या focalization भी बोलते हैं, focalization. So simple भाषा में it's about the what I'll say, the features of your eyes, like like which attract your eye, जो आपकी eyes को attract करे. What is that? The shape, the size, the color of the flowers, of the trees. Okay, some of the properties. Yeah, and it even include like the statue also. जैसे आप अलग if you go to the parks and all, like there are different like type of statue and all, right? The people engrave and they put there, like like they place it there, like parks में and all. तो ये कुछ example है. Once again, it attract the eyes. So आप like when you enter that place, suppose for example जब आप एक park में जो इसको follow करते हैं, principle of landscaping को follow करते हैं सारे like principles को, तो आप जैसे ही घुसते हो उस पार्क में, then if they follow this one, okay, accent या focalization या फिर सिंपल भाषा में मैंने बोला कि it attract your eyes. When as soon as you enter that park, then you will see that it will like the what attract, that is the shape, the size, the color, the statue. Okay, those are some of the things, the trees and the design and all, everything जो उन्होंने मतलब the people there they do the pruning and all, सब कुछ, it will really bring that attraction to your eyes. You will like that place, you will feel peaceful, you will feel restful there in that place, okay, in that park, in that particular place. I'm not talking about like ये बस simple example है park का, but ये आप practice भी कर सकते हो आपके घर में ही. If you have a proper area, तो आप इसको follow कर सकते हो as a landscape designer. और जो हमारा आज का जो last principle है वो है rhythm. Okay, तो rhythm क्या है? तो जैसे अभी मैंने बताया about the accent, जैसे आप like as soon as you enter, like it will attract your eyes. So rhythm एक ऐसा है, I think if I say in a simple word या फिर a simple example, if you see suppose a tree, Okay, there will be a small, suppose if it's a shrubs, okay, जो shrubs होता है, like what I have drawn like this. So suppose if you go through a path, जो pathway, ये especially कहाँ पर follow करते हैं pathway में, okay, like ये रास्ता है, ठीक है, this is the place, okay, this is the road, okay, so this is the pathway, right? तो यहाँ पर फिर you want to plant shrubs, okay, तो क्या करते हैं rhythm, if you follow this rhythm then it will be of different size, okay, like this first, उसके बाद like this, उसके बाद like this, okay, according to the height, like from small, like it will be like this, like this, like this, like stairways, ना stairs के जैसे, सीढ़ी के जैसे, like that. So this also it from like it also comes under the property, ये भी इसमें आता है, like it comes under the principle, sorry, not property, it comes under the principle of landscaping, okay, so like this. And then if again you want some example, so one example is suppose you throw a stone, okay, ये ऐसा है, like if you throw a stone in the water, ना पत्थर फेंकोगे पानी में, तो क्या होगा, उसमें wave होगा, right? There will be a like this one variation of wave. तो उसका जब देखोगे तो it won't just splash like that, ऐसे नहीं splash होगा, लेकिन rhythm, in a rhythm way it will flow, right? So the same way when you enter and when you walk through the path, तो ये ऐसे होगा, like in a rhythm form, okay? So that is one example of rhythm, okay, like of the principle of landscaping. So if you want to be a landscape designer, like even if you are not a landscape designer, but if you want to follow, अगर आप follow करना चाहते हो इसको, so in landscaping these are the very important principles जिनको आपको follow करना है और इसको mind में रखना है. तो in more details I will give you the notes, मैं आपको notes दूंगी, and then like giving the examples, and हो सके तो I'll give you this one also, I'll give you some photos also, मैं आपको कुछ photos भी दूंगी, I'll give you some photos so that you can understand more, आप और इसको समझेंगे, and yeah, you will understand more. And if you have any like doubts, or if you अगर कुछ भी ऐसा point है जिनको आपको समझ में नहीं आता है, so you can inbox me or you can tell me later, okay, so you can inform me later. So just remember this, first thing what we have learned in this chapter, like in this topic, first चीज हमने क्या सीखा था, landscape के बारे में, उसके बाद क्या, the important and scope of landscaping. उसके बाद what we were learning today, we were learning about the principle of landscaping. There are also some practicals that we're gonna do further. Now I'll give you some practical लिखने के लिए I'll give you some, and then after that then I'll show you how to do those practical at home only. आप अपने घर में ही कर सकते हो practicals को. So for today we'll finish till this much. अगले टॉपिक में जाएंगे in the next class. So thank you for today.